Good morning students, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to our computer class. As you know, I am Neha Deshpande from Atmiya Green School, Jadeshwar, Bharuch. So let's start our revision of chapter number 4. Let's continue. In our last class, we learned how to use the stamp tool. Remember? Now, next topic is create a storyboard. You know how very well how to create a storyboard. We already create a story of lion and rabbit in our chapter explanation, remember? So similarly you can make many more stories, okay, using the stamp tool, text tool and all that. So we already created a story. Now in today's class we are going to learn how to create a slideshow of the storyboard. So for that what we have to do, first of all go to open tool. In open tool you will get the multiple pictures that you saved, that you previously created, okay. So now if you want to create a slideshow, then what you have to do, see at the bottom you will get here two buttons, open and slides. Yes, click on the slide button. When you click on the slide button, again the pictures you can see here. So now select the pictures, one second, okay, select the pictures that you have to put it in the slideshow. So select, when you select first pictures it will mark as a number 1, then select second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven pictures are selected here, okay. But right now you think I don't want this picture. See, first and second are both the same pictures, you want only one. Then what you have to do, again click on that picture that you don't want in the slideshow to unselect it, okay. When you unselect it, see what happened, your picture is unselected here, okay, but the number 2 become number 1 now, number 3 become number 2, so number are rearranged again. Yes, now you can increase or decrease the speed of the slideshow from this bars here. So I want the speed like this, okay. So if you want to do manually also you can do. So now click on play button. See, the slideshow is going on. Yes, it's automatically, I'm not doing anything, my hands are here, okay. It is your slideshow. Now again when you come back to your previous screen, click on the back button here, okay. So you will come back to your the previous screen, okay. Again go back, again back, okay. So like this you can create a slideshow of your story board. Now next is on page number 46. Open your books if you have the books here. Page number 46. Practice time is given there. Yes. So it is your subject enrichment activity. Okay, it is your subject enrichment activity. Practice time on page number 46. What you have to do? You have to create that pictures, stories, and click the picture of your screen and send me. Okay, so it is your subject enrichment activity and you have 10 marks for that. So it is compulsory to do the activity and send me the pics. If you are not sending, then you may lose your 10 marks, okay. So it is compulsory, send me the pics, and the date of submission is 22, okay, 22 of this month, 22 of September. So send Okay, so how to do it, I'm going to show you for your reference. So let's start. Okay, let's read the practice time first. We will do it, then you can easily do it. So see, okay. Sahil has been given the task to create slides in a TuxPaint on the topic means of transportation. Okay, so and show it to his classmates as a slideshow. But here uh, there is no need of create a slideshow, because you cannot send me the slideshow, but you have to send me the pics of the pictures that you created. Okay, so could you help him with the steps he needs to follow? Yes, see, the solution is given here. I think no need of solution is required here, because it is very easy, you can easily do it. I'm going to show you how to do for those who didn't attend the classes and those who forgot how to do. So first, to create the first slide, click the new tool. A list of backgrounds with different color appears. Select a color as a background color, say light green, and click open. This is your first slide. This one we want to create. So first of all, click on the new tool. Select the background color as a light green. See, light green is color there. Now we have to write something here. What we have to write? Means of transportation. So using text tool, click the text tool, select the purple color from the color palette and select the text style from the options given on the right. Type the text. Which text is to be typed here? Means of transportation. Click the up down arrow in the selector to increase or decrease the text size. Click the save tool. The slide will look as shown in slide 1. Okay, so first we create the first slide, and here it is not compulsory to use the same colors. You can make variations also. You can choose colors according to your choice. Okay, so go to TuxPaint. So first of all, go create new tool, click on the new tool, select light green as a background color. You can take any color as a background color. Okay, it is not compulsory to copy the same colors. Now I am going to take this light purple color. Okay, it is up to you. Now double click or click first single click and click on open. See, now what we have to write? Means of transportation. So which tool? Text tool. Go to text tool. From the selector, choose anyone that you want. I want this one. Okay, so place the cursor where you want to type here. Okay, and select the color for your text. So I'm going to select the red one. Yes, so now next, again multiple choice are here in the selector available. So now right now I'm going to write means of transportation. Means of transportation. Okay, so finally you completed writing, click enter. Okay, so this is your first slide. Now click on save tool to save this slide. Slide is saved now. So what you have to do, you have to click the picture, take the photo of this slide and send me. Okay, like this you have to take the pictures of every slide. There are 4 slides total in the practice time, and send me the pics. Okay, this is your subject enrichment activity, and don't forget to write your name. Okay, so now next we have to create second slide. Now see, this is the second slide, this is third slide, and this is fourth. Okay, now we have to create the second slide. See, the solution is given here. Second step, to create a second slide, click the new tool. Again same way we have to follow. A list of background appears. Select blue as a background color and click open. Click the text tool, select the red from the color palette and choose the text style from the options given to on the right. See, land we have to write here. Then type the text, click the up down arrow in the selector to increase and decrease the text size. Click the stamp tool. Now here we have to use the stamp tool to paste the pictures of uh, means of transportation on the land. On the land, which transportation means of transportation we use? Okay, these are buses, cars and all that. So click the stamp tool, select and insert the stamps of some vehicles like car, bus, train, engine, etc. Click the save tool, repeat steps A to F from this A to F for the third slide. Again for the fourth slide. Only the difference is text is written here air and in fourth slide water. And here we have to paste the stamps of the air transportations vehicles such as aeroplanes, helicopters and all that, and from in water slide ships, boats and all that. Okay, so let's create. You again I'm going to tell you can select any color. We already saved this first slide. Now go to new, select any as a background color for land. Okay, land is in light blue color. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so first of all text tool, select any text that you want, text style that you want. I'm selecting this one. Select any color. I'm going to select this orange, land. Okay, so see, 1 second. Okay, we written the text land. Now we have to paste some vehicles that are the means of transportation on the land. So go to stamp tool. So select the vehicle C here. Okay, you can choose any of your choice. So this one, you can increase the size. Okay, so okay, I'm going to decrease forward. You can select any color for this. This is car. Now second one I'm going to choose okay, I'm going to select this one. Truck I'm going to select. Okay, increase the size, paste here. Actually this is not, but you can select anyone. Okay, so I think this is the truck, I think. Yes, you can mute the sound. Alt S. Now sound is muted. Select, decrease the size, paste it. It is a fire brigade. Oh shit. So now you can select bus here. Okay, so this is your land means of transportation. You can select anyone that run on a land. Okay, so this is our second slide. Save it, click the photo and send me. Now next, third slide we have to create. Select any color as a background color. So now we have to create the slide on air. Okay, so select, I'm going to select the okay, purple color here. Okay, so first of all text tool, Place the cursor where you want to write. Select any text, any font here, and write air. Okay, you can select any one. So it is okay. You can change the color also from the color palettes, but right now I make it as a red color. So now stamps tool again. Now which are the means of transportation in air? It is aeroplane. Now next second is this one. You can select any one. On here you can select the parachute also. Now this one, your helicopter. Now again this one. Decrease the size. Yes. So this is your second slide. Again click the photo and send me. Save this. Again now go to new tool. Select any color as a background color. Now we are going to create a fourth slide in which water means of transportation are given here. So water, I am going to select this light blue color. So first of all, text tool, write water. Okay, you can select any text style here from the selector. Now go to stamp tool. Now select the vehicles under the water we use. So this one, first one. This is the second one. Increase the size. Yes. Now third one. This ship. Fourth one. Okay, it is your, yes. So your fourth slide is created. Again save it. So now we have to see all the 4 slides. Go to open. You can see all the 4 slides are created here. You can open any one. Okay, so again, so like this. Now if you have to create a slideshow, but no need to send me the slideshow, only you have to send the pics of the slides. Okay, so if you have to create a slideshow, go to slides, numbers the slides that you want to insert in the slideshow. So where are our slides now? Below. This is our first slide, second, third and fourth. Click on play. Means of transportation. These are lands, air, water. Again repeat it. Click back. Okay. So like this you have to create the slides and send me the pics for subject enrichment activity. Again I am telling you, it is compulsory to all the students to submit the subject enrichment activity. It is your it is for the 10 marks. Okay, so if you submit on time, then you will get the full marks, otherwise you may lose your 10 marks. Okay, so remember, and last date of submission is 22 of September. So we'll stop here. It is enough for today. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.